Hello everyone, this is Flint Adkins, and I am producing this video as a demonstration of a couple of different utilities, one of which is called Wireshark, which is a network monitoring solution or utility to monitor network interfaces for traffic. The other tool is actually a vulnerability scanner called NeXpose, which is made by Rapid7, and it was released about 2-3 weeks ago, and it kind of competes with Nessus, which I produced a video about a few weeks ago as well. So here goes. So this is Wireshark, and it is monitoring my local internet interface, and this is the NeXpose interface. So I am logging into NeXpose. Installing NeXpose is really pretty straightforward. This is running on a Linux box, and it has a really nice web front end. This utility has a lot of capabilities that are available if you purchase the licensing for it. It can do code scanning, source code scanning. It helps with software development lifecycle. And other things like that. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a scan against my laptop, which I've already done once. But basically once you have your devices configured, you can go into the scan area, and this IP address is the one for my laptop, and all you do is click Start Scan or Start Now, and it starts up. Now what's interesting is, as soon as that started up, the Wireshark began capturing all of this activity. And as you can see by the names here, basically, it says malformed packet right there. Malformed packet in blue, those areas. These are specific types of exploits or vulnerabilities basically that the NeXpose is scanning for. So I'm capturing this file or this network scan data so I can analyze it later, try to establish exactly what it's doing. So I might publish a video about that ultimately later on, but for the purpose of this scan runs about 3 minutes, and the interface here will sit and continue to refresh. It does provide you with a view scan log option, which as the operation continues or it performs its scan utility operations, it's going to produce this log file. Scanning through the log file isn't really the purpose of this video, but I would like to wait. You can see what it's doing. Obviously right here it says IP fingerprinting OS using port 80. You refresh the screen. So we'll look back at the log here, scroll down. Eventually the report will tell me exactly how many vulnerabilities NeXpose has identified, and the final step is, once these vulnerabilities are all identified with this utility, what Rapid7 has done is they've integrated this with another utility called Metasploit, and Metasploit is it's able to actually exploit vulnerabilities that have been identified. So if your system has issues and someone comes along and they're going to use NeXploit or any kind of vulnerability scanner, the point is that Metasploit can actually exploit those vulnerabilities. Let's see here. So more and more and more scanning stuff here, like this list of vulnerabilities that NeXpose really scans for is really huge. But you can see down at the bottom of the screen there that discovered one live device and 36 vulnerabilities. So my laptop is stupid. And here is the file that I've captured. I'm going to go ahead and shut down the Wireshark. I'll save that file. And alright, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment. Thank you.